hit the subscribe button. Give us a big thumbs up.
That's right.
Guys, we have had a very eventful day. I don't know if Alyssa wants to tell you about it or not. You want to tell them? You want to tell them what happened? Go ahead, you tell them.
Okay. My mama had a crazy idea. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. Because I thought it was fun. No, I didn't. No, I didn't.
Go ahead, finish.
I was about to go up Miss Hannah's driveway.
And tell them what's wrong with it.
And they have this big old hill. Is that a hill?
Yeah, it's a hill.
They have this big old hill. And you have to drive up this big old hill to get to their house.
It's very steep.
And I was trying to get, to their house.
Mama had got in front of you to take your picture.
Yeah, and then I fell.
And when I got in front of her to take her picture, she tried to push her chair. And when she tried to push her chair, it reared up with her. And what did it do? It didn't make you fall, baby. It flipped over upside down. It flipped completely backwards, all the way over and upside down. And what did we do? What did you have to do? You had to lay very still for Mama for a little bit, didn't you?
And I should have went to the bathroom for a day.
She had to pee, but I had to make her lay very still. We actually called an ambulance to see if they would come out and help us get her up. I was too scared to move her. I didn't know if something was hurt. I didn't know if something was broke. I didn't know if her ribs were broke. I didn't know if her back was broke. I didn't know if her neck was broke. I was too scared to move her. We called the ambulance and they came out.
Miss Hannah
They checked her out and they seemed to think she was fine. They helped get her back up in her wheelchair. They asked her to squeeze their fingers and move her feet, and they felt all over her, pushed all over her, pressed all over her, and we're going to hope that everything is fine. But guys, if it had been me that went over backwards like she did, they'd have had carried me on to the hospital and given me some kind of surgery or something. But she's a very strong girl, and she made it through the incident, and we're hoping she's okay. They just told me to just be sure and watch her tonight, make sure she doesn't start feeling bad and nothing starts hurting. But so far, she's been playing Roblox with her friends, and she says she feels fine. You feel okay? Did anything hurt? No? Okay. So when we got home today, there was a package in the mailbox, and Alyssa's wanting to open that. I ordered her some things, so I'm going to let her open that and let you guys see what she got. Okay, Alyssa's going to open her package. Now, guys, all these kids are really into these things that she's opening them, whatever the word is. Look at there. What is it? All kind of poppets and gadgets and fidgets. What? What?
I get to take a picture of it.
Okay, she's going to show us what she's got.
But I got one for Leon too.
Yeah, you want to tell them when we get to it what that is?
This is for Leon.
No, that one's yours. That's a unicorn. Turn around and show us.
It's a puppet.
It's a poppet, yeah. A unicorn poppet.
There's that one.
Now that one is, what is it shaped like?
Dinosaur.
A dinosaur, guys. And
he
Leon,
loves dinosaurs.
JJ time, Leon, his birthday's coming up on July the 31st. I think it's the 31st. Anyway, we got him a poppet. We're going to send to him with a pretty card, huh? Okay. What else you got?
And
You guys hear me chewing. I'm eating.
My mama ordered this, so I
did.
have seen it yet. And my friends haven't either, so. What is this?
I'm not sure. Right over here. We'll look at it in just a second.
Yes!
What is that? Just a string?
You swish it right.
You just spin it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Or you can do this.
Okay. Okay. Twists and turns. This little thing was that thing in the package you saw a second ago. She's going to show you it just twists and turns and makes different shapes. See her little hand, guys? She fell.
Is it mud or bruise?
That's mud, dirt. Alright, let's see what else you got in there.
That looks like a sword.
Oh no.
I'm gonna play with these for sure.
Yeah, there's another little stretchy twirly thing, huh?
Got a lot of these.
Yeah, I know. What else is in there? Excuse me. Another one. There's 4 of them. That's another thing just like the black one, except it's blue. Another twisty thing. What is that? That's a little bitty poppet. Yeah, cute. I wonder what that is. Let me open it. Yeah, it is. And what do the little things in the middle of it do?
Spin around.
No, stop it. They're poppets in the middle. So they're poppets.
I'm not giving this to Sophia.
No, not that. That's yours.
I'm not giving her none of them.
Well, you said you'd let her have one of those little rings in there. There's like 5 of them. You want to go ahead and keep looking?
Sorry guys, I had some in this room.
She likes that, don't you? Little pea pods.
Now I'm really keeping this.
Do you know what they do?
No.
Look. They poke out. Look at their little faces.
Oh, that's
Look
so
at the
cute.
little faces, guys.
I'm keeping that. They're so cute.
You mash them and they come up. See? It's just one that's got a face in the middle. Yeah, those are the little rings. I don't know what they're for. They're just, they go, look, they just go on your fingers. They're kind of hurt. They kind of hurt Mama's fingers. Ugh.
Because you've got
I
a
don't
fat
like
finger.
it. Here.
Because you've got a fat finger.
Is that another pea pod? It is. Cool. 2 of them.
How do you do it?
You squeeze from the bottom. See what? Squeeze the bottom. There you go. There you go. The bottom. At the bottom. Down here. Yeah. There you go.
Hi.
It's cute. Okay, go ahead. Well,
Hi.
look at this pile of stuff, guys.
Sit.
Another poppet. I don't know what that is. Huh. He's a squishy. A little squishy. Can you show it to us?
Look at his little face.
Let me see. Yep, a little squishy.
Squish.
Squish, squish.
He looks like a little fish.
Let's see what else we got. Bunch of stuff in here, huh? Find that around here. I think it's another squishy. Oh, it's a little, like, seal squishy. Look. That's another one of them rings. Eek. Put it over here with this ring. Not sure about these rings, guys. I don't think I'd want that on my finger. That's a little squishy. Another squishy. Another squishy. The other ones have been being open right here. Somewhere. And another squishy. How many squishies did they give us?
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Yeah, they give us 5. We'll have to open them and show you guys what all the squishies were. This one's something. Some kind of little squishy. Another ring. Here you go. I think there's just 2 more rings in there. No, there's something else. What in the world? We'll have to open that up and check it out. 2 more rings in there, huh? Alright guys, so she has 4 of these little pulley things, 5 little rings, some kind of little box here that does all kind of neat little tricks, who knows what all, a spinny fidget spinner puppet thing, kind of cool, 5 little squishamals, they're cute, these little things that look like snakes to me, 2 little peas in a pod, 2 smaller poppets, and a big unicorn poppet, and then this dinosaur poppet come with it that we're going to mail to Leon. So we got all that I only give $20 for it on Amazon.
I told you that.
So
too much.
she will enjoy all these little things, sitting around fidgeting and messing with stuff, won't you?
This is for Leon.
And show it to us. Yep, what does it say on it?
Flippy.
What did you write on the back of it though? You wrote your name? Okay guys, we're just going to do one side of it so you can still see the back of her paper. So mash that side down. All the way up to here. Alright, now see when you pick it up, you can still open the back. See there? You like that? Okay, we folded it over in half and it made a card. Look at that. I ain't too sure what this cat's doing.
Let me tell you a funny story.
He's crazy.
Okay, he's coming like in the bathroom door,
Uh-huh.
and he hit his head on the wall
Yeah,
of the bar,
yeah.
and he jumped, and then I almost fell off the toilet.
You better be careful.
I jumped.
Did anything hurting?
Yeah.
It tickles?
Yes.
We wanted to show you what she got from Amazon, her puppets and her fidgets. Wanted to tell you guys about her little incident today. It was so scary, but she's doing good and she's going to be just fine. Maybe we'll forget about it in the next 20 years.
Yeah, I hope you forget about it.
But for tonight, we're going to say goodnight, and we hope you enjoyed our video.
Please like and subscribe.
And give us a big thumbs up.